Let's solve the inequality. Log of x squared plus 6x is greater than or equal to log of 5x plus 12. Because log is an increasing function, we could just ignore the logs and just look at when x squared plus 6x is greater than or equal to 5x plus 12. And we can bring everything to one side. We'll subtract by 5x, and then we'll subtract by 12. And so we want to see when x squared plus x minus 12 is equal to 0 first. So I'm just going to set it equal to 0 and factor this into x plus 4, x minus 3, and get x is negative 4 and positive 3. So I'm going to draw a number line, negative 4 and 3. We want to make sure that the domain is met. So we want, for the first log, we want x squared plus 6x to be greater than 0. And we also want 5x plus 12 to be greater than 0. So x squared plus 6x, we can factor out an x. And so we want to see when this is greater than 0. So we'll set each one equal to 0. So we have x is 0 and negative 6. So we'll put that there. And this is going to look like something like this. So this is positive here, negative, and positive. And then for 5x plus 12 greater than 0, that means x is greater than negative 12 fifths. So the total combined domain the first one, it's going to be negative infinity to negative 6, and then from 0 to positive infinity. And the second one is just x greater than negative 12 fifths. We want to see where they overlap. Clearly that's going to be over here. So that's going to be x greater than 0. So we want our final answer. We want to make sure x is greater than 0. So I'm going to go back here and say I'm going to put 0 here because I want x to be bigger than 0. So I can get rid of everything to the left of 0. And now I'm going to just test different points on the number line. So I'm going to test a number between 0 and 3, let's say 1. And we're just going to plug it back to the original. We have log of 1 squared plus 6, which is 7. Is that greater than or equal to log of 5 plus 12, which is 17? The answer is no. So we do not include. Then we pick a number to the right of 3, let's say 4. We have log of 4 squared plus 6 times 4, that's 16 plus 24 is 40. Is that greater than or equal to log of 5 times 4 is 20 plus 12 is 32? Yes, that is true. So the final answer, we want x to be greater than or equal to 3. So it's basically everything over here.